All right, well, I got this mount fabricated up right here. Adjusted the brake linkage back here. I use that tab, so it's pretty secure. So I'm gonna get this thing mounted on here like that, and then we'll see what it looks like. So I can get my remote reservoir, sorry, my remote oil filter mounted up and then connected right here. So let me get that mounted up, and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, just like that, the remote oil reservoir is on, the oil lines are routed. So getting in here is what it looks like. I think it looks really nice. I think that bracket really disappears in there. You can't see it much. It's oil lines go underneath the battery cover, come out, come up in a natural way. So I think it looks good. Really complements, I think, the angle of the swing arm. But yeah, tell me what y'all think.